Hey everybody, Brandon Promo Day exclusively at Promo Journal. Now, one of the worst things that has ever happened to me is I go out of town, I get all of my stuff, I'm getting set up at night in the hotel room, and I forgot all of my charging cables. And today's product is the charging cable kit from KTI Promo. Now check this bad boy out. First of all, look at its nice little travel compatible size. I love this thing. Stick it in my DOP kit, stick it in my jacket, stick it in anything that I know I'm gonna be traveling with and I'm gonna need some recharging cables. I love the imprint area on the outside, but on the inside, that's where this thing shines. Check this out. You just pop this open right there and you've got all of the cables you could possibly need. You've got all of the connecting pieces like USB-C, micro USB, and even an Apple adapter. This bad boy is gonna be in clutch when you need that cable out on the go. And then one of my other favorite features is also when I'm out on the go, I don't want to be hanging onto my phone if I'm on a plane or a bus, or maybe if I'm sitting at a table doing some work, I wanna prop it up. Well, so you notice this little bad boy has kind of nice little A-frame. Well, right here on the back, they've got you covered. Pop this little thing down right here and now it becomes a phone stand. So now you can actually set your phone up while you're charging it or while you're using it with the case itself too. I carry a lot of like sewing kits. I always have a sewing kit with me in my DOP kit, and so I'm gonna throw one of these in there too because this is just as valuable as being able to stitch a button back onto my shirt. So thanks for watching our quick little video on the charging cable kit from KTI Promo. And make sure you go to promojournal.com so you can watch more content like this and find more products that you or your customer can use every day. Seriously, I love the magnetic closure. Like, that is a big feature. Look at that, it just closes right back down. You're not gonna lose anything that's in there.